And welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
We begin this evening with news from Manchester, where the much-anticipated elections for a new president and vice presidents of the Association of Local Government Authorities of Jamaica failed to get underway today.
The meeting descended into chaos after things got physical among the elected representatives.
Now, police had to intervene to quell the tensions.
Krista Campbell has the blow-by-blow recap.
A long overdue meeting, an injured councillor, and the police trying to restore order. This was the scene inside the Gulfview Hotel in Manchester Friday morning, minutes after the scheduled 10 o'clock annual general meeting of the Association of Local Government Authorities of Jamaica, ALGA-J, was called to order. Councillor for the Rocky Point Division in Clarendon, Winston Mirage, is president of the association.
The meeting was called to order at precisely 10 o'clock, at 10:02 to be exact. And we're going down according to the agenda. Some of the items were cut short because the majority of the meeting did not have any questions. That the president's report is a 12-page long thing. I asked them if they wanted me to go through it. They said no, taken as read. The financial report was there. And I asked any questions on the financial report because it was circulated. Everybody got a folder with it. And they said no questions. Majority of the room was there shouting no questions.
And the last time we met at this body, it was in 2017. And we have a lot of new councillors here. So we're saying to the president, let us have some conversation about the expenditure of the organization. All that is in the report is just 1 year expenditure, which is 2023, 2024. There's no report, financial report, as far back as 2017 as to how the council's subscription has been spent.
But when the ALGA-J president decided to move to the next agenda item, the election of new leadership, pandemonium. Amidst the sea of councillors that quickly flooded the platform where the president was,
one of the councillors pulled the microphone from my hand. And in the process of doing so, my hand was bruised and cut.
The police were called to try and calm tempers. The meeting was quickly adjourned, and shortly before seeking medical attention, Mr. Mirage relayed his thoughts about the incident.
Our PNP members thought to themselves that they would have been outvoted at that time, and so they decided to bring the meeting into chaos.
But opposition councillor Sion Barneswell maintains the objections were because of a breach of Clause 6 of the ALGA-J Constitution, which states that
at least 21 days prior to the date of a fixed AGM, each authority shall be forwarded by the secretary a resolution or letters as it relates to what should be on the agenda. Fine, we'll get the notices. But it went on further to say that a copy of the agenda shall be sent to each council, each municipal corporation at least 5 days before the meeting.
While they await word on a new meeting date,
I question myself as a local authority, who, of course, at this time, prides myself in serving the people. And if this is what we are actually putting forward to people as representatives, as leaders, it is disgraceful.
The councillor who snatched the microphone from Mr. Mirage declined our request for a comment. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.